Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Rig Fix. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the differential oil on my 2011 Honda CRV. A few things that you might need when doing this oil change is going to be needing Baker. He's here today to help me out with the differential oil. Hey buddy. I had some requests saying that they want to see more Baker, so here he is. He's going to help today. To do this job, what we're going to be needing is some dual pump fluid, which I picked up at my local Honda dealership. We'll need the two washers for the filler and the drain plug, which is on the differential, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Here is the part number. What I'll do is I'll leave the part number in the description down below. We'll need 2 liters of the pump oil. I also purchased a little gadget on Amazon to help us refill the fluids. Oh, he got his treats and now he's back in sitting properly. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, and I've already drove the truck onto the ramps, so we have a little bit of an angle so that we can get under there and grind the oil. A few tools that you're going to be needing is you can use a breaker. You can use a breaker bar with a 3/8 socket at the end, or you can use a ratchet as well, with a little pipe wrench so that you can get a good leverage when wanting to remove it. Again, safety first, good pair of goggles, rags, and a drain pan so that you can put your old oil in. So with that all said, we're going to go underneath and we're going to drain the fluids. Alright, so we're underneath the car. This is our differential. We have our drain plug here, and on the other side, when I'm refilling it, I'll show you that there's a refiller. It's just a little bit higher than the drain plug. So we're just going to go ahead and take our breaker bar. As you can see, it's square, perfect fit for a 3/8 socket. Stick it in there. Just loosen it like so. I'm going to go ahead and as well loosen the other side so we have a little bit more airflow. It's just right here. Sorry about that. I'll show you afterwards when we're filling it up exactly where it is. Stick it in there. And loosen. So it's both loosened. We have our bucket here. And we're just going to let it drain out. And there you go. And again, has an aluminum washer, like so. There's 2 times when you really want to change the oil in the differentials. One, you can always go by the mileage that is in your maintenance book. On certain models as well, it's in the oil life, like we saw in the previous video. You have A1, which is oil change. There's the corresponding letter that goes for differential. Or you have also by sound. What happens usually sometimes is that the viscosity in the differential oil deteriorates, and when you're turning, doing U-turns or half circles, you'll hear a little bit of a grinding noise coming from the back. That's a good indication that you'll need to be replacing your differential oil. I was starting to hear that noise a little bit, and I don't remember when it was the last time I changed my differential oil, so not taking a chance, went ahead and I'm using it now. So we're just going to let this leak a little bit, and then we'll put the drain plug back and then I'll go on the other side and I'll show you guys where the filler gauge or filler hole is. Right guys, so we finished draining the oil. There we have our new gasket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bust out the torque wrench and I'm going to torque the bolt. Torque specifications is 35 foot-pounds, so we're going to go ahead and torque it. And there you go, you hear it click. We'll hear it click again one more time. That's 35 foot-pounds is the torque specification. So we're going to go ahead now and refill the differential. All right, so first things first, we're going to prepare our oil. It's, like I said, it takes roughly about a liter and a half. So that's why I bought 2 liters. But another thing you can do is you just try to pump in the oil as much as it can, and as soon as it gets flush with the filler, you'll see a little bit of oil be coming out. That means you're good to go, you're done. I'm using this little oil pump that I bought on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description down below. It's the first time I'm using it. It screws directly on to your 1 liter bottle, and then you just got to pump it like a lotion bottle. So we're going to take it, we're going to insert it into the hole, and we're going to pump. Go. It's in, and we're just going to pump it. There's plenty other pumps out there. This one is time consuming. Just want to let you guys know. Alright, so there you have it. We're pumping it, and as soon as you can see that there's a little bit of oil coming out of the filler, that means you have filled your differential. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our drain plug and we're going to stick it in there. So you take out and there you have it. And put your drain plug in with your new washer. Wipe off the excess. And we're going to torque the filler bolt as well. Move that over to the side. There you go. Make sure it's in properly. And again, 35 foot-pounds. We heard the click. And we're done. So now we're just going to tidy up and we'll go for a road test afterwards. Alright guys, so there you have it. We replaced the oil in our 2011 Honda CRV differential. Again, I'll leave in the description down below all the materials you needed and the torque specifications to do this job. It's quite simple. I did it as a more of a precautionary thing, but like I said, you could always check in your owner's manual to see exactly what mileage you need to have it replaced. So that said, just guys want to say thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're on Rumble, please give me a follow. And we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye. Goodbye. He says bye.